How many of you hate studying? No, no, I like studying. No. So I'll tell you what, my parents always knew that I could not be an engineer. Thank God for that. Ironically, I wrote a show about an engineer.
No, because my experience that like in first standard I scored like 76%. My parents forced me to take engineering. Like no, 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 no.
Okay, no.
No,
I'll tell
I
you
was-
what. What is your passion? What do you really want to do?
I wanted to do journalism, but like
What? Like crime beat, whatever. What do you want to do?
Crime.
Crime?
Yeah.
Hard, yeah. कौन करना है? Page 3. No, but I'll tell you what. So I'll tell you what. Like out of experience, and I'm being very practical here. There is no harm in getting a backup degree. You know what I mean? Today I can proudly come here, promote this book blatantly in your faces, only because I know I can go back and finish college, and luckily everything's worked out for me. But that is what I've realized, that follow your heart, but most importantly, if your passion is unconventional, have a backup degree. So it's pretty fair on them, but don't stop. And Anushka has something to say.
Yeah, and also because I am also an engineer and I did what I wanted to do after that. Even Param is an MBA, but MBA, and he did what he wanted to do after that. So if your dream is alive, don't bother about what you're into. Just finish that, and you can just pursue your dream at any age you want.
you know, you're like in Sayukta, she wanted to do mechanical engineering. My dad forced me to do mechanical engineering. Like it's almost opposite. So
You should meet Kishore then. Where is Kishore? Anjo. No. Okay then, yeah. Is this being recorded? Oh fuck. You do speak. Is being recorded? Okay, next question. Yeah. Sorry.
Thank
Sorry.
you, that's
you. Any more questions? Yeah. Okay, wait. Can we? I'm gonna talk to you anyway, like after the launch. Yeah, like that. Yeah, hi.
Hello, I'm a die-hard fan of Param and Harshita, and people from the group are.
She rejects me. She's not looking at me. I'm gonna walk away.
I know. And people have told me to tell you that we all love you and give you thousands of kisses, but I can't do that practically. I wanted to
She
ask.
still rejects me. After saying it twice, dude, you should get into journalism, huh? Hardcore.
Oh, please tell that to my father. I want.
Listen, I am no radio divine voice here, Exo South FM. I'm just kidding, yeah.
Okay, I wanted
Go
to
ahead.
ask, have you ever read fan fictions of people, like they write on you? I have seen 750 fan fictions and I've read hundreds of them on you. Have you ever read? I like 3 of them.
Although,
No, I think I've read one or two, but that was not of me, Bandham, me or Vardhan.
dangerous, huh? Dirty minds. इतने pious sir थे वो, तुम इतनी गंदी बातें करते हो? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay. Never kiss your best friend by Sumrit Shahi. Please, a round of applause. Clever, huh? Not good. Okay, but okay, seriously, I really want to do this for like 5 minutes. How many of you have ever gone through this situation where you've had a best friend from the opposite gender? Okay, we'll sit right now. It's too long of standing. Thank you. How many of you have gone through the situation where you have a best friend of the opposite gender and life has been difficult after that? There, here, there. Yeah. Can we have your... yeah, you, right there. Yeah. No? Yeah? Out, you'll know how it's important to have friendship. I was tired of love stories. I only wrote this book because, you know what? Let's celebrate friendship here. Because friendship is such much more important than love. Love stages on Tinder every weekend anyway.
Books also, like we say, my parents, they're just friends to me. Books are your friends. My dogs, they're so friendly. Everything comes down to friends. So because that's such a pure relationship, I think friends are forever. Yeah. So you should never kiss your best friend if you want to remain friends.
And we're all friends here. So yeah, like, thank you guys for coming in. And any more final one question? Anyone? Okay, right there. Speak, yeah, go for it, yeah. Lover, acha. Okay, sorry.
I love you so much. That's okay. That's because
connect to my life, and I just love you because they are just so real. Like I just love them.
Wait, can I have a tissue paper? I'm gonna cry right now.